By faith, Moses, after his birth, was hidden for 3 months by his parents because they saw he was a beautiful and divinely favored child, and they were not afraid of the king's, Pharaoh's decree. By faith, Moses.
Wait. Don't
Okay.
bypass that. That's verse 23. Who were the people of faith in verse 23?
The parents.
The parents. Moses's parents were approved of God.
Mm-hmm.
Not just Moses, his parents. They did that by faith, seeing that there's a reward, that heavenly reward. Way back then, they saw what we see. Next.
By faith, Moses, when he had grown up, refused to be called the son of Pharaoh's daughter because he preferred to endure the hardship of the people of God rather than to enjoy the passing pleasures of sin. He considered the reproach of the Christ, that
Stop.
is.
Oh, glory to God. The reproach of who?
The Christ.
What Christ is that? Moses. Christ. That would be Jesus Christ. Hello? There is one body. Our high priestly ministry, mediating the new covenant, covers us and them.
It's the same faith.
One body. Same faith. The reproach of Christ. What did you say down here?
He considered the reproach of the Christ, that is, the rebuke he would suffer for his faithful obedience to God. The reproach of the Christ, because of his faithful obedience to God. Faithful obedience. See?
Give God what he asks for. Give it to him.
Give it to him.
You will demonstrate fidelity, relationship, fellowship, communion. You're going to be demonstrating. By demonstrating it, you're passing the test.